This is Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. I'm out at Green Lawn Grove doing some shopping. I bought my first item. I'm just starting a video. I'll show you what I bought though. So I was walking in and a guy had a Hop Along Cassidy lunchbox with the thermos. So that's a good way to start the morning. So we always got some guns and stuff here. So we're going to get into it and get some shopping done here. See if we can find anything good. Oh, this guy's got models. Tons and tons of models. Good models. See if we got any Hot Wheels in the case. That's a big case. No cars. Good day, sir. How are you?
How you doing today?
Good, good.
Yeah. I don't care. How you doing today?
Good. How's about yourself?
I got up.
It's a place to start. There's some old antlers. Little ghost thing's kind of cool. I need a little chunk of Romax. Got any Romax?
No, I didn't see any on here.
That's a buck.
Anything $1, yep. Yeah,
Can't not buy a Kmart tin oil can for a buck.
Oh, it'd be worse today with the
It'll be worse. And I thought, I couldn't believe how bad it was yesterday.
Yeah. You heard Dan even. No marks or nothing. On the road like it usually is, you know. Alrighty. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yep.
Well, not a big score, but a score is a score any way you want to slice it. It's got to be a $5 bill. If you could go to the bank and put $1 in and get 5 in a week, you'd do it, wouldn't you? I think so. I don't know. Good morning.
Oh. I'm ready because I don't want to take your big deal. This is maybe stuff.
You got any of them recoil screwdrivers that you up and down the recoil ones with?
Somebody get it by the sorry.
I've got an Amish friend looking for them screwdrivers all the time. I've got a number of them cups. I should probably buy another one. They were my stepdad's. Had them at the house for years. That's a big stuffed animal.
How you doing? I think I am. I don't know yet.
Morning, morning.
Gotta have Lisa.
So, anyhow, this market's been here forever. Well, Benny's set up today. Benny, you're shrinking.
Huh?
You're only taking up one little itty bitty booth now.
I had to.
How's Wanda doing?
Too much to do. I can't do it no more.
Well, you're still doing some of it, and that's the important thing.
Thanks, Sharon. Appreciate it, Chad.
Don't matter which party they're in. If you're in a party.
You know, I have seen more blow molds here today than I have seen in the last 5 years. I'm wondering if the
My dad
market is...
He's 92, but this is mine. That's hers.
That's fine. I'm just wondering. Yeah, but there's a bunch out front too.
Oh, is there?
And I'm just wondering
think
if the
there's
market's kind of flat on them or
No, I
something.
think that people have them and they're dying off.
Could be.
My dad's 92, and he has a bunch of them, and I can only bring like 2 at a time. I sold the candles.
I mean, I like him, but I can't do nothing at 50. Yeah, the blow molds are hot, but everybody seems to have them today. I seen some walking in. Maybe they'll still have them when we get out there. But I asked through the car door, like when I bought the lunchbox on the way in, and she said 50 a piece, and I can't pay 50. Can't pay 50.
I want to rain.
Especially after doing all that work.
Well, you got it all out now. I hope it don't rain.
Well, that's what we were just saying. I heard some funny noises on top of my umbrella over there.
Boy, you're a talkative one. Really?
Hey,
He's pretty. He's got a pretty head.
full of yourself. No.
He's got a pretty head.
Hey, stop. Stop bothering people.
I'm putting him on YouTube. Got some fresh produce today. Brian's got new tables.
That's right.
That's unusual. I see a couple stacked up over there. Well, ain't nobody down this aisle. Everybody must be afraid it's gonna rain. I do like that Hopalong Cassidy lunchbox. This guy sells lawnmowers and stuff. This is in that. You can't cover all this in too fast a time. There's some blue jeans. Is it gonna rain?
Yeah, I think so.
Wasn't supposed to rain today. See some old stuff in the totes here. Let's take a look. See, there's the old Maxwell house there. I don't see nothing much. Don't see nothing too much. But that's why they call it shopping, right?
He was determined to be a good father.
This guy must be out shopping still.
I mean, they're both.
She's a threat.
Everybody's growing pot plants anymore.
She's a threat. Son of a bitch. She's a threat.
Look like chickens. Look like chickens. Look at them lights. They're plastic. They're huge though. Just for, you know how big that are.
And they blink.
They do, they blink, eh?
On them, yep. That's what's on the ends is the blink.
I don't know what I'd do with them, but they're big. They're cool.
Yeah.
Railroad stuff always sells. But I'm not looking to invest $125. Good mixer. You don't see a lot of really good flea markets anymore, but this one here has always been good. You never know what you'll find. Instead, I bought that cool ass lunchbox on the way in. Hot Wheels. Some old Marks Tin Trains.
Yeah.
I don't know Hot Wheels. Toys and records are something I don't do a lot with. Well, that guitar's seen better days. Who made it?
I don't know, from outside.
T-shirts, $4 each. They're good Gildan t-shirts. That's where I buy my t-shirts. But he doesn't have any pocket t-shirts right to now.
need to take the carburetor out. It's not that hard, but it's got a little carburetor.
Nice turnouts. What are you getting on the turnouts? $5? 5?
Brand new. They ain't never been used. And they're old as probably me and you.
Take 10 for the 3?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. We got on things like the building. The cars and stuff.
$5.
Got a bag?
That I don't. I'm sorry.
Train miniature, New York Central. What are you getting on the cars?
$3 a piece? No.
$5 for the pair?
All right.
Now you're going to have to find a bag because I'm getting too much.
How much do you owe you?
15.
We found one.
Thank you.
Only 5, right?
Huh? I give you a 20. I already paid you the 10. So you owe me 15. Thank you. All right, so had a good time out here at the market this morning and bought a bunch of O-scale stuff to put on eBay. I'm going to videotape this guy that don't want to be on just so he can be, but he snorts. Did you hear him snort? He snorts when he laughs. So anyhow, all right, so we're out here at Green Lawn Girl. We had a good time, lots of friends and whatnot out here. So you know what I always say, like, subscribe, and God bless you and God bless America.